Paracord. We all use it, we all know it, we all sat down and untied that great big mess when we go to use it next time. I'm going to show you a quick trick, how to wrap paracord up, roll it up, store it so you can pull it out easy. Let's do it. Okay, this is one of these little life hacks that makes life so much easier. This is quite simple. After I've done it, you'll be thinking, why haven't I been doing that for years? You may already be doing it. Righto, grab your paracord, just like that, and basically over. It's pretty complicated stuff, this. You all got that? Just like that. And when we finish, this will unroll beautifully. Now I've got it tied at the other end. I'll have to go and just quickly untie that. And it's the same thing, just round and round and round and round, and just keep going round. Now you probably want to leave about, I don't know, 1.5 foot, 2 foot, 30-40 centimetres left on the end. So with your tail hanging down that way, grab that whole bunch like this. I'll just stick my thumb behind it like that, squeeze it, and just wiggle your other thumb and finger out. So basically, you've now got it like this. All you have to do is just go round and round and round, and just keep rolling that up and round and round and round. You don't need too much. And then right at the end, I just put just a little half hitch underneath itself there, and just give that a bit of a tuck. And that's it, and that'll store. You can throw that around. That's not, chuck it, flick it. It's not going anywhere. It'll stay wrapped up like that. Now the good thing is, you can throw that in your backpack, your saddlebag, wherever you want to throw it. But next time you want to use it, have a look at this. Righto, I'll show you how easy it is to unwrap this. I've just got a little bolt here on the back of the bike. You could hook this on, or you could tie that around a tree, or hook it on a hook, or wherever you want to put it. Watch the magic. All we have to do now is just pull this like that, and have a look at that. Away it goes. Just make sure I don't walk on anything behind me, and my shoe just fell off. But little half hitch at the end there, just untie that one. But there you go. It's as easy as that. There's your paracord. No knots, no twists, no tangles, no dicking around for 5 minutes trying to get it sorted. And it only takes seconds to roll up. I'll roll this one back up in real time just to show you how quick you can actually do it. Okay, this is in real time. So if I'm just rolling this back up, it is that quick. And this is probably about 10 metres, not sure what that is in feet or yards, probably about 10 yards-ish. Wiggle them out, and then one, get the tail out of the way. It doesn't have to be too neat, you can just wrap it around any way you want. And then, like I said, I just throw that half hitch in the end there just to keep it done again. Easy. All right, if you enjoyed that little trick, give it the thumbs up. If you want to know any more, you want to see more stuff like that, got quite a few little bush hacks, just leave a comment down the bottom, and we'll see what we can do. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Okay, I'll show you how easy it is to untie, or just Brownie's